Mabuhay! This is Mr. CrimiKNOWlogy at welcome sa ating mga pag-aaral tungkol sa mga subject matters and discipline of criminology. This is for the research of the criminology students. This is for the review of the takers of the licensure examination for criminologists and for the refresher of the registered criminologists. Today, I want to share to you the course title, the course description, and the course content of the course Introduction to Industrial Security Concepts. And again, this is Mr. Paul Azores, and I welcome you all to this introductory lessons in this course. Before, this course is called Industrial Security Management under the Law Enforcement Administration. But under the new curriculum of the Commission on Higher Education, or the CHED, it was changed into Introduction to Industrial Security Concepts because before only the criminology program has this course, but today there are BS Leia or Bachelor of Science in Law Enforcement Administration, and others has Bachelor of Science in Industrial Security. So there is their own program for this course, but as the introductory, we'll be talking about its concept in general. Again, it is called under the new curriculum. Uh, the course title is Leia 3, or the Introduction to Industrial Security Concepts. And let's have the course description. This course provides the overview of the following. Number one, the development of industrial security. We'll be talking in here how security industry evolved mula doon sa unang panahon kung paano nagsimula ang pag-secure ng mga unang tao ng kanilang sarili, ng kanilang mga crops, ng kanilang mga pananim, halagang mga hayop, at ng kanilang pamilya, komunidad, hanggang sa panahon natin, how it was developed. And let's talk about some theories and concept and principles of security so that we can broaden our knowledge about this subject matter. And the security organization, talk about it. There are different security organizations and the management on how to administer and the operation of the private security agencies. It is good to know that one of the major profession that we can explore in this course is the security profession, specifically the industry like the hotels, the banks, the businesses, and other establishment wherein everybody needs security nowadays. So also we'll be talking about here the corporate and government security unit. So there are different units in terms of providing security. The government also has its own security agency. And we talk about the qualifications. What are the prescribed or the qualifications for you to be a security guard, security supervisor, security manager, and the requirements for a security agency. What are the training skills and the competencies required in it, and of course the development in the industrial security. So moreover, we'll be talking about this course has the also topics about technology-led security operations. So we'll be exploring them and how security is used for crime prevention, both for the physical and of course those security personnel who will prevent the commission of crimes. And for the safety, the investigation once there is a crime happened, there is violation, and detection skill or detective skills, because we can also practice private security profession. Of course, crime scene prevention, preservation on what are the standards, and the report writing when there are incidences of crime and violation of the law or the rules. Now, those are the course description. I'll be sharing also the course outline. What are the content of the course? First, we'll be talking about the development and evolution of security, how it evolved, what are the progress happened, contributions that made our present day security system, concepts, and what we have today in this industry. We also talk about the theories, the concepts, what are the philosophies of security and safety that those who are in this field should know, because they will be practicing this. And we talk about the constitutional and statutory rights of persons affected or the subject by police or law enforcement operations. It's good to know because you might violate their rights, especially their fundamental or constitutional rights. I'll be sharing also the police operations. So, bagamat malapit, but there are still differences on the operations of the police and the security professionals or the security guards. We'll be uh, exploring them and comparing and also looking into the collaborations. The BFP or the Bureau of Fire and Protection, their operations also, and the Philippine Coast Guard operations, and the operations of other law enforcement units in relation to security. And also crime mapping, which is the historical development of crime mapping, the theories of crime, place and environmental design, types of crime mapping, and crime analysis, talking about them. Crime incidents, situationer, and the geographic information of crime. More on data. And we'll be exploring also uh, now the mode of delivery, this the HEI or the higher educational institutions, their option or choice on how to deliver. We will be using flexible learning, wherein it applies in times of crisis like this. We have the pandemic, whether natural or man-made. The delivery can be combination of either online. What we have now is online for you to have this video lesson, and the wired digital, non-residential or the offline, non-wired, non-digital, residential, asynchronous or asynchronous. At ideally synchronous and asynchronous for this matter. And of course, under ordinary conditions, when safety and security is not an issue, HEIs should use residential or face-to-face mode of delivery. So far, that is the content of our subject matter or the course Industrial Security Concepts. I hope you will watch out for the upcoming videos that I will be sharing with you. Let's explore this wonderful discipline. By the way, this discipline alone can be your profession, because even if you have background in law enforcement, in military, even those who are retired already are exploring the security world business, because it is also a high paying job, a good profession to be belong and to practice, to explore, especially those who are in the criminology field, because we are the most inline program in this security. Because we will be criminologists and have these relevant trainings, you will be called a security professionals. I have what I had before. I had training in security industry, so I earned my title certified security professional under a known and credible organization providing in the Philippines. But I encourage you to join us in exploring this subject matter. Thank you very much. Jesus saves, and to God be the glory.